High pressure switch. Protection when pressure gets too high. Your AC high pressure switch protects when refrigerant pressure rises above safe levels. It works as a safety control to shut down before high pressure causes serious damage. A working high pressure switch helps protect the compressor and prevent overheating. When the high pressure switch trips, it may indicate multiple issues. Ignoring high pressure problems can lead to poor cooling and costly repairs. Regular maintenance helps catch issues early and keeps your AC running safely. A healthy high pressure switch protects your comfort in your AC system.